Roswell Flight Test Crew here at Interdrone 2018 in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. And we're here back at the Parrot booth with our friend FX, Francois-Xavier. How are you doing?
How are you, Patrick? All good, thanks.
Good, good. Now, I was walking around your booth here again, and I noticed the Anafi, our new friend here we just reviewed, but I get the feeling something's going on here that separates this from the one I've got at home. Tell me about this.
Exactly. We've been actually announcing and launching this week Anafi Work. So what we've been doing is, since we've launched Anafi back in early July this year, we always considered that Anafi could be a great tool for professional. In terms of hardware, we are running on a really portable and carryable platform. It's 0.7 pound in terms of weight. The battery life is 25 minutes. The aircraft is really silent, so you can do your job without disturbing people. The camera, 4K HDR, 21 megapixel. Second thing which is really unique on this product is the fact that the gimbal can tilt 180 degrees, so 90 degree down, 90 degree up. This is a really good thing for professional. We also have a zoom option through this camera. So we developed this drone and this pack especially with every professional in mind. It can be in construction, inspection, public safety, seat surveillance, even video and photographers. So that's really the idea of this pack. Anafi Work is actually coming with the drone. We've included 4 batteries in the pack. So this gives you 1 hour and 40 minutes, which is actually quite a lot of flying time. We have dedicated shoulder bag, waterproof, the remote control and a dedicated charger to charge all the batteries at the same time. On top of that, because we are into mapping, photogrammetry, and this is because Parrot Business Solution has been working on this since a long time. We have integrated in this pack a 1-year license for Pix4D Model. Pix4D Model is the right tool for people to automatically create 3D model of buildings, bridges, broadly used in construction.
And is the drone itself compatible with the Pix4D capture app?
Exactly. So people will actually be using the drone with FreeFlight 6, which is our consumer-based application, in order to record the videos, take the pictures, and besides this, they're also able to use Pix4D Capture, our mission planning software, in order to then process the data in Pix4D Model. This is integrated in the pack, and again, so the pack is the drone, 4 batteries, controller, the charger, the shoulder bag, the Pix4D 1-year license, and this is coming at $1,099.
So $1,099, but a Pix4D Model year license is $500.
Exactly, yeah. So we basically giving for free the Pix4D license. We really want people to, get used to photogrammetry, get to know how this works, and after that they may want to do mapping, and we have also big solutions for mapping. I mean, EBX is just right here. We've been launching also EBX at the show, and so this is why we are putting this bundle together at this price point.
Well, that is genuinely an extraordinary price point. I mean, wow.
People are really excited about Anafi. Since we've launched Anafi, we've got a lot of requests from professionals that wanted to use it, and so here we go. The pack is ready. We're going to be actually selling the first units around October.
Well, if you're interested in the Anafi, check out, we just did a big 2-part review on it. It is a great aircraft, but at that price, with that support, that's really extraordinary. Well, FX, thanks so much.
Thank you very much, Patrick. Have a good day.
All right, thank you. And from Interdrone 2018 in Las Vegas, this is the Roswell Flight Test Crew signing off. Thanks again, FX.
Thanks.